Hello friends, in this tutorial I want to make an Excel chart with two y-axis. Sometimes we subject it to draw a plot with two y-axis when we have two column or two data which are so different in the value. Here it starts from 150 to 400. This one starts from 0 to 7.2. Let us draw. First delete this one. Okay. We have another method from insert. Select it. I choose this one. Okay, right click, select data, add. In this method it's up to you which column choose to set it at x-axis and or y-axis, but I use it this method in the previous tutorial. You can find it in the description. Okay, but this time is I directly select all the data, but in this method you have to put the x-axis in the left hand side, and this method this column it be the x-axis. Okay, select all, insert chart, this one. You see it's not a good representative for the data, so we subject to provide a secondary axis, secondary y-axis. Okay, here from this plus sign, right click, axis, triangle sign, more option. We have these options. I want to plot this curve on a secondary y-axis. Okay, just choose and select secondary. Now this one on secondary, if you click this one, you see it's on primary axis. Okay, let us do some modification. You see that the x-axis start from 200, but here from 0. So I active x-axis from bar symbol, axis option, I change 0 to 200. Okay, now you can see the data and it has a good look. It's a good representation for the data we have. Also, you can provide chart title and axis title from this plus sign, active axis titles. Now you just write the title for the chart, and for axis title it's elevation, and this one area of contours, this one volume of reservoir. That's all. I hope it be helpful.